Hello friends, you're welcome in my YouTube channel, Sasan Blog and News Analysis. So, in this row of our lectures and news analysis, today we will continue very important topic which is burning in the news, and it is very important for our environment and ecology and for UPSC. It is very important for environment ecology which is concerned with your this paper third. And so, what is important and what is the issue? That is issue is that we will discuss today the UN High Sea Treaty. So today we will analyze what is the UN High Sea Treaty and what is its need and why it is what it is necessitated, and what is its procedures, why it is important. All these aspects we will try to look and analyze in this video. So I apologize for you to delete this video, so I really sorry. Please see the video and till the end so that you may get all the pros and cons of the aspect of the issue. Okay, so let's start this video. So first we will understand what is this UN High Sea Treaty. So UN High Sea Treaty, as you know, it is basically concerned with protection of marine diversity beyond national jurisdiction. You should know that this is not a treaty that is very instant. It means that which is negotiated in very short span of time. You should know that this treaty takes almost 20 years. 20 years negotiations were continuing in the UN, and the delegates of different countries were trying to reach the zenith of this treaty and they want to make consensus. But there were not any consensus. But this day is very important because the delegates of the UN now became able to come to the conclusion and make consensus. Consequently, we are reached at this treaty. So, you know, it is concerned with protection of marine diversity beyond national jurisdiction. So now the question comes, what is this national jurisdiction? I think that you are knowing that what is marine diversity, and so I will not going to discuss this. Just I will look at what is national jurisdiction. So perhaps you may have heard the UN clause, United Nations Convention of Law on Seas. So this is a law legislated made by United Nations for the protection of diversity and every aspect, all the aspects concerned with your seas and oceans. So this UN clause defines the boundary of nation. It means how much water of ocean which is concerned with any particular country. For example, there is country India. So you can see there is Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and oceans, right? So now question arises: how much jurisdiction Indian territory covered in that ocean, right? Otherwise, India may go anywhere and can extract minerals and resources anywhere. So no, this is not so. There is proper jurisdiction. So first we will try to understand those jurisdiction. So see, initial 12 nautical miles from the coastal area of any country is your territorial sea. In this region, in territorial sea region, country have both resource extraction facility, means country can extract resources from this jurisdiction, from this region, as well as it has also capacity, it has also power to restrict any aviation in these regions as well. So this is your marine territorial sea, and next 20 nautical miles is your contiguous sea, right? And next 200 nautical miles is your EEZ, exclusive economic zone. So this 200 nautical miles, which is EEZ, is your national jurisdiction. Means national jurisdiction of any country is only confined to 200 nautical miles from the coastal area. So I think that you are now able to understand what is national jurisdiction. So in this national jurisdiction, country can extract national resources, can do any activity which the country want. So this uh, particular uh, treaty, which is High Marine Treaty or High Sea Treaty, is concerned with protection of marine diversity beyond the national jurisdiction. So I think you are knowing this time what is national jurisdiction. Okay. So this is one aspect. It means you are now knowing this, that national jurisdiction is something that which not comes under jurisdiction of any country, right? It is something that is concerned with whole country, right? Means whole world. Means that particular zone of water, that particular region of the water don't come in a particular jurisdiction of any country. Okay. So now we will try to understand why it was needed, why it was necessary to bring any such treaty. Yes, you know that this time countries are, there is much rivalry between the country. The country want to rival, country want to compete each other, right? They want to make themselves economically powerful and politically dominant. They want to increase their soft power, hard power, and structural power as well. So in this competition, in this rivalry, countries are extracting the resources of the marine, of the seas. So you are knowing that trawling, drilling, and the different types of extractions. You are knowing this. So I will not analyze here. So you are knowing that different marine animals which are very important ecologically and economically and environmentally. So it is very important to protect them, to conserve them. If we will not conserve them, then it will be very contaminating for our environment. So, and it will be adversely impact our life as well as the world situation, right? So it is very important to look at this. So keeping all these aspects in the mind, that regulation of those area may be regulated in the right manner, in the right direction. These conditions, these circumstances brings the delegates of the UN of different nations to particular conclusion which are looking this, that is your high security. So I think this video will be informative for you, and I think you will appreciate my effort, and please do watch this video, do like this video, and please send your reply and feedback for my motivation and for my continuation. Very thank you to all.